Welcome everyone to the Excel experience. In this video, we are going to see how to insert slicers in pivot table. Slicers help you to filter your data in a really easy and fun way, enhancing the visual appeal of your reports. In this video, I'll show you why slicers are so great, how to use them, how to add more than one slicer, connection of one slicer to multiple pivot tables. I have some data here. To begin, let's create a pivot table. Select the entire dataset, then navigate to the Insert ribbon and click on Pivot Table. Choose to place it on a new worksheet, then press OK. Next, add the desired fields to the table to populate it with data. Your pivot table is now ready for use. If I want to filter data, I can click on this filter button and select the desired data. However, if I want to view different data, I have to repeat this process each time by selecting another name. This can be quite tiresome. Adding slicers to your pivot table is very easy. Slicers are like magic buttons that help you to filter and organize your data in Excel. To add a slicer, simply right-click on the desired field, such as subcategory, and select Add as Slicer. Then, you can pick whatever you want to see by clicking on the slicer buttons. It's like having a superpower that lets you control your data with just a click of a button. To enhance your slicer's appearance, you can change their colors and styles to match with your favorite colors. Simply select the slicer ribbon will appear. Click on it and choose any style from the available designs, or create your own. I'll select this one, as it complements my pivot table. If you find the slicer name too lengthy, you can modify it from the slicer settings. Here, I'll adjust the name and click OK. If you prefer not to display the name as a header, simply click here, and it will disappear. You can also arrange your slicer list in ascending or descending order. Additionally, if you want to view your slicer list in multiple columns for better organization within limited space, select the slicer and click here to add more columns. This feature can be particularly helpful when space is limited. Now, if you wish to select multiple options simultaneously, simply click on Multi-Select and choose as many options as needed. Or you can also select with Ctrl key on your keyboard. Hold Ctrl key and select desired options. To remove filter, click on Clear Filter. To remove the slicer, just select the slicer and press Delete button on your keyboard. You can further enhance your analysis by adding multiple slicers. To do so, insert another slicer from the Pivot Table Analyze ribbon. Now, with two slicers, one for subcategory and another for region, we can precisely examine the sales amount of tables and chairs in the central region. I can even connect one slicer to multiple pivot tables. For that, we will add another pivot table. Now to connect this slicer with both these tables, I'll right-click here, select Report Connection, and from here, select both the pivot tables. Now, as you can see that if I select any region, both the pivot tables changes its data accordingly. And that's how you make your slicers work smarter and look nicer in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.